your boy Divine D, and yeah, we back, y'all. We back for another early bird session where I come to you each and every morning, 6 a.m., helping you control your energy so you can control your life. Good morning, my people. How y'all doing this morning? Another great day to be alive. Yo, remember, I ain't getting no PSAs that God start making mistakes. So wake up with some intention, purpose, and understand that you got tremendous value. Remember, God ain't made no mistakes, so stop waking up like you woke up by one. Wake up with all the glory and greatness that you are designed with today, man. Come on, y'all should be happy to wake up each and every day. And when you live in life on your terms, you should be happy. I understand sometimes we waking up because we're thinking about all the obligation, everything we got to do, all the bills we got to pay, and everything else. Yo, nah, this ain't what this is about. This is about making sure that we are equipped, making sure that we understand that our mindset is super important. How we think about our day, how we go about our day, how we wake up in our day. Yo, it's super important. Make sure that you wake up with some intention. Make sure that you got purpose and understand that you got tremendous value. It's time to get up, get out, and get something, though, y'all. Remember, I'm just here to be a little fertilizer for your seed because you are the one that's meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. Yeah, you just got to make sure that you get out the dirt. Keep busting through the dirt so that you know what, you make it to the sunshine and let your light shine, all right? Good morning, y'all. How y'all doing today? Yo, today we're talking about the boogeyman. Do not fear the boogeyman. Do not fear the I know what you've been taught, but don't fear the boogeyman. And we're going to talk more about that in a minute, y'all. We're going to talk about why you shouldn't fear the boogeyman. You like, okay, what the hell you talking about, D? If you want to know, you got to stay tuned and listen up. We got a great message for you today. So, yo, whatever you're waking up for this morning, whatever you get, if you're getting ready to go to work, getting the kids ready for school, or just, trying to get to Walmart before they steal all the tissue and paper towel, whatever you're getting up for this morning, understand that you know what, you got to make today count. Today got to count for something. Yeah, we got to count towards, one step, leave at least an inch towards your goals and dreams. Today we got to find that time. Remember, it's 24 hours in a day. How you spend your day, how you think about your day, what you doing during your day is going to determine what's going to happen tomorrow. Remember, we talk about the preventive maintenance in life, how to prevent our life from breaking down in the future. And to do that, sometimes, yeah, we gotta do some things. There's some work that we gotta do, some accountability that we gotta, take and make sure that we doing everything necessary so that our life don't break down in the future, y'all. So come on, y'all. Let's get up, get out, get something. Y'all know how we do it every morning. We gotta play some music videos. We gotta play some music to get us in the groove. And then we're gonna talk a little bit. We're gonna talk a little bit about the boogeyman. Just a little bit. Just wanna give you a little tip for your day as you go about your day, all right? So stay tuned for that. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute. The world is watching. Let's give them something to see, y'all. Good morning to my early birds. Good morning to everybody that's in the comment section. Katina Carter, Chazzy, what's going on? Togo, what's going on? Keandra Lewis, good morning, great morning, greetings all. She said, what up? The world is watching. Family, go vote, go vote. Yes, today is November 2nd, November 3rd. It's to go vote, y'all. Go vote. And you know what? Even if you put your name on the ballot, because I'm putting mine on the ballot, because both of them fools ain't getting mine. Anyway, the world is watching, y'all. I'll see y'all after this video in a minute.
Yeah. They say hard work pays off. So every time I'm in the booth, I give it 110%. Because when you this far at the bottom, the only way to go is up. Yeah.
All I ever wanted was to say that I made it out the hood. I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mom, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I remember those nights I couldn't sleep right, on an all-night flight to the sunrise. Go and get it by any means, never satisfied. City baby, I'm the dream like Elijah Wine. I know I made it hard for my mama to sleep at night, knowing I wasn't home, living that street life. I was sick and tired, I was down on my ass, I ain't have a dime. Got on my grind, and the money started multiplying. They gave my nigga life, he tryna give back that time, hoping for sunshine. Cause I ain't seen too many rainy days. I ain't seen too many niggas throw their life away. I promise I'ma make it. I can't end up like them niggas, no, not city, baby. You gotta be patient. It don't happen overnight, it takes some dedication, some motivation. I'm determined, baby. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it. Made it out the hood, I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. When it rains, it pours. It pours when it rains. I'm tryna soar with the eagles while you tryna clip my wings. I strive for success, I'm hoping for change. When Big Bug died, I cried in such tremendous pain. I wish I couldn't change. They threw dirt on my name. I knew I would prevail. Look how far I done came. Mama, please don't cry, it gon' be alright. I watched my mama cry for so many nights. Like a star up in the sky, nigga, I'ma shine bright. Swear to never tell a lie, spend my life behind the mic. I'd rather keep it real, so I rap about my life. I remember all them nights we recorded in the studio. Wanna gamble with your life, but let the dice roll. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa. I'ma take my chances with this music, whoa, whoa.
For everybody who chasing a dream, who just wanna be successful. Hard work pays off, believe that.
Be the kids' role model.
I just wanna be all I could be.
I'ma take my chances with it. All I ever wanted was to say that I made it. Made it out the hood, I'm that nigga city, baby. All I ever wanted was to take care of my mama, take away the problem, make it out the hood, be the kids' role model. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful. I just wanna be successful.
That's my boy Zooty Baby with Successful. I just want to be successful. That's like any one of us, right? We just want to be successful. We just trying to make $1 out of 15 cents. Hard to be legit when you still trying to pay the rent. I get it, man. Good, good. She said, just don't vote for the boogeyman. Laughing, but why not? I might vote for the boogeyman. Why not? Boogeyman less of a clown than both of these fools. Oh, man, now we getting political. Yo, good morning, y'all. Yo, man. Whoever you vote for, man, just make sure that you go let your voice or your vote be heard. Hey, man. But after you leave there, hey, man, listen. That's just a process. That's just something that, a process that people want you to do. But listen, no matter who you vote for, your life is still yours. You are in control, ultimate control of your destiny, your happiness, and everything that's going on with you. So it don't matter who the president of the United States is. What's going to matter is what you going to do with you. Stop thinking about what people finna do with you and worry about what you gonna do with you. What are you gonna do? Yo, I told you, stop worrying about their stimulus checks and stimulate your mind so that you can do things that people can't do for the rest of their life. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, you gotta put in that work. You gotta think about this in a whole different mindset. We ain't depending on no president. We ain't depending on those city, local officials. Depend on you. Depend on you. Don't let you down. Let that be the first person not to let you down. Because 2020 has showed us a lot this year. And, man, who can you really, really depend on? What system can we really depend on? None in my book. So, hey, why not take the system back and make sure that you put a system in your life that's designed to make sure that you are happy and living the way you want to live and supposed to live in this lifetime. All right, and we got to get there as fast as possible. So that's why each and every day I tell y'all, yo, let's do a little bit more. Let's do a little bit more. Let's take a little step closer. Let's grind a little bit harder. Let's spend a few more hours. Let's research a little bit more. Let's serve. Let's be a service. Let people come on, y'all. If you're really ready to see greatness and enlightening and transformation in your life, and yeah, it's real. It's urgent. Like I said a couple videos ago, I mean, it's a state of emergency, man. So you gotta have a sense of urgency. It's a state of emergency, man. You gotta do something with you because, man, as we look on the TV and look out in the world, man, they just doing a bunch of crazy, man. So go vote, but hey, man, vote for you at the end of the day, man. Vote for yourself and make sure that you hold yourself accountable for your happiness. All right? So shout out to you. I hope all is well with you guys. Yo, if it's not, hey man, you might want to do this when you go to the polls too. Control-Alt-Delete. Control-Alt-Delete. If you don't know about it, let me tell you about it. If you're new here and you don't know about Control-Alt-Delete, let me tell you about it. Control-Alt-Delete, my people. Control. We got to control. Yep, we got to be in control of your environments. Yep, you got to protect your energy. Yeah, if the environments you in are not conducive to your growth, you need to remove yourself. Yep, get up out of there. Remove yourself. You can't control everybody and everything all the time. So you know what? But you can control you. So no more putting yourself at the wrong place, wrong time, because guess what? You ain't there, because we controlling that. Yo, control your environments. Make sure that you're around people that are helping you grow. Don't be out of places just out of obligation because you worried about somebody talking about you. No, you need to go where you need to go. And sometimes the people that came with you ain't meant to go with you. So sometimes, yes, you have to separate yourself and put yourself in better environments. To do that, you have to sometimes hit that Alt key. Do some different alternatives. Yeah, especially if the things you're doing right now are not working and getting you there fast enough. Yes, you need to choose some different alternatives. I tell you guys each and every day that success is a blueprint. Failure is a pattern. And you got to watch the patterns of your life and make sure that you're following the blueprint towards your success. And sometimes, yep, unfortunate but necessary. You got to hit that old delete key. Yeah, some things just need to be deleted. Get up out of here. Yes, I don't care who it is, what it is, or how it is. If it, that, or they ain't good for you, yeah, man, you got to hit that old delete key. Get them up out of there, man. Whatever ain't good for you. If it ain't helping you grow, if it ain't helping you, you know what, get better, have a better mindset, and make sure that the ultimate goal is to make you better. If they ain't around like that, and I don't care if you're laying next to him or her or not, get them up out of there, man. Get them up out of there. It ain't the right situation. It ain't the right people. It ain't the right relationship. Get them up out of there. All right? And when you hit Control-Alt-Delete, just like that old computer, when the computer start freezing up, acting up, not doing what it's supposed to do, you hit Control-Alt-Delete and get a whole computer a refresh, right? And then usually when it reboots, it usually operates the way it's supposed to. And that's what we need to do in our life sometimes. Sometimes we just got to hit Control-Alt-Delete, get a refresh or reboot on our life so that we can begin to operate the way we supposed to operate, all right? So good morning, people. Like I say, hey, we talking about the boogeyman this morning. Do not fear the boogeyman, man. We might be better off voting for the boogeyman, Katina. I don't know, Katina. I think we might be better off voting for the boogeyman. And I'm going to tell you why in a minute. I'm going to tell you why I think that in a minute. I'm going to tell you why I think that in a minute, all right? So we're going to get into our next video, and then we're going to get back and talk with you in a minute, all right? We're going to talk about the boogeyman situation and why you shouldn't fear him. But we're going to get into this music video first because we got to chase these dreams. After we chase these dreams, we're going to actually live them, all right? So shout out to Q for this next video. I'll be back with y'all in a minute. Preach! All right, I see you, Katina.
Just listen.
Yeah. CEO status.
They say I've changed, they say I'm not the same. They looking at what I become, they noticing what I became. They telling me life is a book, while I'm rolling up with every page. And they tell me I pay for my wrongs. What does anybody have changed? I'm fucking the game. He also told me money talks and I ain't heard shit from you. If La Mama swallowed me, doesn't mean she swallowed the truth. The top is my destination, I can feel it. I'm near, they say the good die young, why the hell am I still here? The fame is addictive, the women are expensive. Apologies to my fans, it's rare that I get explicit. But this is how I'm feeling. They telling me that I'm gifted, but I was only 9 when I stopped believing in Christmas. I wrote Santa, how come you never answer? All I wanted for Christmas was a cure for cancer for my grandma. I stopped writing them letters and start writing my verses. I turned good into great and I turned great into perfect. It was worth it. My team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. They doubted my team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. 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 It's not the same, everything's changed. They ask me who I'm dating, I'm married to the game. Can't forget about my side chick, Mary Jane. I decapitate these beats you producers, better file a claim. They say I'm deranged, I say I'm fine. They tell me that I'm lying, the truth's in front of your eyes. Why's everybody so blind? These crooked ass niggas, you better stay in line. I let go that life of crime to invest in my time. Now I'm better than I ever been, for less I'm never settling. With my crazy model chick, I'm on my Kevin Federline. Kanye and Cajun, blazing ain't it evident. Somewhere in the sky looking down at the pelicans. But I can see that they don't understand. We didn't have a helping hand. Beezy gave me a chance, so I decided to take it. Run with it in advance. Stay loyal to my team and keep it 100 grand. My team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. Yeah, I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. They doubted my team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream. I'm just chasing a dream.
They doubted my team, they didn't believe. I know a lot of haters don't wanna see it succeed, but I'm chasing a dream. I'm chasing a dream. They doubted my team, they didn't believe.
Hey, this what it do.
That was cute with Chasing a Dream. Hey, man, they doubted your team. They didn't believe. We know a lot of haters don't want to see you succeed. Hey, but we still chasing these dreams. Hey, they gonna see it. Won't happen one day or another. Hey, it's gonna happen. So that success is happening because we expect our success. We ain't hoping or wishing. We know that's gonna happen because why? We gonna make it happen in our life, right? All right, shout out to you for that. Yo, good morning, good morning, good morning, my early birds. Yeah. It is Tuesday, November 3rd, and yeah, you gotta go vote, go vote, go vote. But she said don't vote for the boogeyman. Katina said just don't vote for the boogeyman. I don't know. I think we voted for the boogeyman already, if you ask me. I think he won the last election, the other boogeyman, but not this boogeyman. All right, y'all. My message today is don't fear the boogeyman. Don't fear the boogeyman. Why don't fear the boogeyman? Why you say, Devon D, you shouldn't fear the boogeyman? Because the boogeyman ain't never did nothing to nobody. What you scared for? You ain't never heard the boogeyman messing with nobody. He ain't never. We just have been programmed to be scared of something that ain't never did nothing to us. Come on, y'all. Y'all tell me one account when the boogeyman done got you. Bet you can't think of one. The boogeyman ain't never touched nobody, but we've been programmed to be scared of the boogeyman. Oh, the boogeyman gonna get you. We don't even know what get you is. What you mean? He might come get you and take you out to eat or something. We don't know. The boogeyman ain't never hurt nobody, but we've been programmed to be scared of the boogeyman. Boogeyman gonna get you. Listen, sometimes you get scared before you get to things, and they ain't even did nothing to you. Like your goals and your dreams and the success that's on the horizon waiting on you. You're scared to go after it because the sacrifices. We're scared to sacrifice this life for the life that we want. But we want to keep talking about what we want and keep complaining about what things ain't right and being stressed out and going through all these emotional roller coasters because we didn't do the work in our lives. Why fear the boogeyman? Why fear something that ain't never did nothing to you? Get to it. Get to the boogeyman. Have a conversation to see if he's scary, see if he's trying to get you. We already automatically turned off on something that we don't even know nothing about. Yo, that's the same thing with your goals and your dreams. Some people, you know what? Before they even took a step, They already afraid and scared and fearful and thinking about what if it do happen? What if that? What if that? What if you do become successful? What if everything that you had in your mind is real? Which it can be. It's just up to you. But let's just say, you know what, hypothetically speaking, that okay, you come up with an idea, you know that, you know what, this is what you want to do in your life. You know this is what you want to do in your life. Why be scared of that? Control, Alt, Delete, push through and change, Togo says. Absolutely. Why fear something that ain't never did nothing to you? Why be scared to go after things that we have never experienced yet? Stop listening to the stories of somebody else who just trying to put their fears on you. Go after everything that you want in your life. Go after those goals and your dreams. Stop putting yourself on the back burner and then complaining about what's going on and why this and why that and what people doing and man, nobody want to see you. Come on, man. None of that blaming and complaining. None of that should've, would've, could've talk. We don't do that. Put your action where your mouth is. The money gonna come later. Whatever you gonna actualize after that, the byproduct of you going after your dreams, we'll let that happen. But you gotta make sure that you taking the first step by making the step. Each and every day, making sure that, you know what, you become more and more important. What you designed to do, what your purpose is, becomes more and more important to you. And you can start seeing the vision, but you got to take the step. Stop being scared of something that ain't never did nothing to you. The boogeyman ain't scared of nobody. He probably cool in the mud. We don't know, but we've been programmed to be scared of the boogeyman. The boogeyman ain't never did nothing to nobody. All right? So before we start thinking about what if something happens on this end, think about the other end. Man, why, man? I know you scared of the boogeyman, but why should I? Like, I ain't scared of dude. Like, what happened? He ain't did nothing to me. What'd he do to you? Oh, he ain't did nothing to you? Then what we scared of him for? What we scared of success? What we scared of going after? What we scared of putting down the stuff that we already complaining about to go after something that would be more fulfilling? You work for somebody, you work at these jobs, you ain't complain, but you there on time, you make sure that you know it, you're doing a good old job, and you make sure you spend them hours, right? Because you think that paycheck is your security. Put that work in for you, and let me show you what security really is. Let's put that work inside you and everything that's inside that you got, that all that gift that you got. Let's put that work and them hours inside that, and let me show you what security really look like. Come on, y'all. Don't be scared of something that ain't never did nothing to you. We got to get up, get out, get something. We ain't say get out, get up, get out, and wait on something. That ain't what we saying. We said go out, get up, get out, get something. That's an action word. So let's now start taking the action so that, you know what, you can get to your happily ever after at the end of your story. The world is watching, y'all. Y'all go out here and have a great day. Like I say, no matter what you're getting up for this morning, man, the world is watching. Man, make sure you give them something to see. Good morning, my early birds. Y'all go out here and be great. Let your light shine. You know what? Don't fuck them haters. The world is watching. I'll holler at y'all tomorrow, 6 a.m. Peace. Get out. It's time to get up. I grind, I shine. But don't forget, please share the video. Share it with somebody, y'all. Hey, I don't ask y'all for no money or nothing, but y'all can at least do me that one. Share this video. Just hit the button, whichever it's at. It's down here somewhere. Hold on. It's down there somewhere. Share the video, y'all. Share. If you heard anything that was inspirational, motivational, or just informational, make sure that you share this video. All right, we're gonna re-roll that now. Holla at y'all tomorrow. Peace.